Today we're there with
Shamrock.
Mr. Shamrock. From the new MP come in a power, you see any changes or any difference?
No, well, you see, maybe he need some more time to,
Yeah.
but I don't think what we want to see going to happen.
Yeah. And what you want to see?
Well, we want to see things going on because they start on Camberwell Road up here before. Was going on quite all right with the people in the district for Camberwell.
Yeah.
We see them road thing they stop now, so well, would I like to see some more improvement because Mr. Dunn was doing quite good here. Him don't believe in the handout thing.
Yeah.
But he was doing quite well for the area.
Yeah.
He was doing quite well.
So you haven't seen the MP after the hurricane or during the hurricane or anything?
At one time when we were out here, so during the campaign, I happened to see him.
Yeah.
When we're sitting down out here.
Yeah.
I don't see him since.
Since election campaign, I don't see him?
Me see him.
You
I
see
don't
him?
know about others.
Yeah.
Out here, so me see him and meet him, right? So him pass out here, so walk and pass.
Yeah.
You know?
So you after the hurricane, you haven't seen him or hear from him?
No, not around on my road where I live on. I
Yeah.
live on School Road.
Yeah. So he hasn't visited School Road after that?
Well, I don't know if he come around here, but I don't see
You
him.
don't see him?
Yeah. So him could pass there and I don't see him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Finally.
Views of the people, all the people. Stop separate the people and listen to views of the people. Mother Road, Sky God.
Gather Road.
Gather Road.
Views of the people to the world, to the world, to the world. Views of the people. Happy days are here again. So put a smile upon your face. Views of the people, you're a winner. Na 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 na. Yeah, you don't know your voice, you know it's reggae max.